Hi guys, welcome back to So Squishy. Today I'm going to be showing you my Ibloom collections with my mum today.
So the Ibloom collection that we're showing you today will include the limited edition. First up is the Ibloom Fowatch, guys, that we're going to show you.
First is this rainbow fox, and here are the batteries.
Next we have this lollipop girl.
This is the marshmallow bear, which is also very popular.
Next one is this galaxy fox.
Next is this angel bunny. Lucky last is the limited edition one, which is my favorite. It is the little penguin. That is all from the Fowatch collection, so we're going to do the next collection now. Next up is the Wreath Bread. First one is my favorite one. It is the mint.
Then we have this so pretty rainbow one.
And then we have this pink and yellow one.
The bread one. And it also smells like bread, guys.
This chocolate one, it smells like chocolate.
And this one here is the limited edition one. Pink one.
That is all from the Wreath Bread, so we're going to go to the next collection now.
So this is the ChouCream collection, guys. First one is this galaxy one.
Next is this rainbow one with pink on top.
Then we have this pretty mint one.
This normal sheep sleeping.
A rainbow pastel one. This is the last one, and it's the limited edition. It's like the original cream puff. That was all from the ChouCream collection. Now we're going to go on to our next collection.
These are the Cutie Chocolate. First we have the Aurora.
This is the original chocolate one. They have the Ibloom characters, and it says Ibloom there, guys.
This mint one smells like mint.
Next is the strawberry chocolate.
The rainbow one. It's like a rainbow here.
This is the limited edition one, white chocolate. And Evie says that it smells like condensed milk.
So we're on to our lucky last collection now, guys. This is the next collection, which are the creamy macarons.
First one is this purple one.
Second one is the yellow one with pink on top.
Then we have this beautiful galaxy one.
This pink bunny that smells like strawberry.
A white bunny macaron with pink filling.
Then we have the limited edition one, which is the rainbow one with white filling. It's my favourite. So these are all the limited edition ones. That's all for today, guys, and see you in our next video.